Welcome to class 9 students. Today in this video I am going to explain you 13.1 exercise. I told you that I will send this video for you. Okay? So what's the question? First question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, 1365 centimeter deep. Okay, is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic box, determine what you have to find. Area of sheet required for making the plastic box. Okay. Cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Box is given to you. Okay. Length, breadth, and height is given. On the basis of this information only, first of all, you will start the question. The box is open from the top now. So area will be 2. So you have to deduct one length and breadth because from top this one is open. So length into breadth will be 1 only. The formula is 2 into LB BH plus HL like this. You used to write the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. It means 2 LB, 2 BH, 2 HL. But from top it is open, so you will take 1 LB. Okay, 1 length into breadth because it is open from top. So 1 length into breadth, 2 breadth height, 2 length and height. Okay, now just put the values 2 into length into height, 2 into breadth into height, and like this only you have to do the calculation and you will get 5.45 meter square. This is the area of the plastic box. Now, what's the question? Cost of 1 meter square area. Cost is given to you. Rupees 20 and our area is 5.45, right? So for 5.45 meter square area the cost will be 5.45 into 20. It would be rupees 109. Clear? Next question. The length, breadth and height of room are. Okay. Length, breadth and height of room is given to you 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Okay. Length, breadth and height is given to you. Find the cost of white washing the walls. Walls की white washing, white and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square. Length of room is given, breadth is given, height is given. Okay. You have to whitewash the covered surface area plus ceiling also. So total area to be washed will be area of walls plus area of ceiling. So what is the area of walls? 2 into LB plus 2 covered surface area. 2 into L plus B into H. This is the area. Covered surface area, that is area of walls. And area of ceiling would be length into breadth. So in this formula you will put the values, that is length, breadth and height, and you will get the answer. Very simple. So the answer would be, students, 555 rupees and 74 meter square answer. And cost is 7.50. So after that you have to multiply this with 7.50 and you will get the cost. In next question, the paint in a certain container is sufficient. Okay, there is a paint in a container is sufficient to paint an area in a container. From one container you can paint the area is equals to 9.375 meter square. Okay. From this paint, how many bricks of dimensions are given? Length 22.5, breadth 10 and height 7.5 centimeter can be painted. Okay, कितनी bricks paint हो सकते हैं? So let's find the area of one brick first. Area of one brick would be, what would be the area? Very simple. It would be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right? This is the area, total surface area of brick. So just put the value, length, breadth, height you have to put and solve it. You will get 937.5 centimeter square. Now you have to find a number of bricks. To find any term in numbers, you have to divide them, right? So to paint in total container, you have to divide it with area of one brick. So total container paint is 9.375, right? And you have to divide it with 937.5, then you will get N, that is number number of bricks. It would be 100 of them. Clear? Very simple. Next question. In next question, a small indoor greenhouse, okay, is made entirely. There is one greenhouse which is made of glass panes, okay, held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide, and 25 cm height. Okay. So, students, length of greenhouse would be, it is given to you. What is the length? 30 cm. And what is the breadth? 25, and height is 25 cm. Okay. So, to make the greenhouse, you have to find the area now. What would be the area of glass? It would be 2 into LB plus BH into HL. This is the total surface area. Just put the values and you will get total surface area of glass panes. But second part is how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. For all the 12 edges, you have to find the tape. How much of tape is needed, right? See, very simple thing. For total 12 edges are there. 4 will be of length, 4 will be of breadth, and 4 will be of height, right? So total tape is 4 into L plus B plus H. Okay, 4 into L is 30, breadth is 25, and height is 25. Just put the value. 320 centimeter tape is required for all the 12 edges. Clear? Next question. Shanti sweet stalls were placing an order for making the cardboards. Okay. Shanti sweet stall is there and they are placing the order for making the cardboard boxes. And there are two types of boxes, the bigger one and the smaller one. For bigger one, length, breadth and height is given to you. And for the smaller one, length, breadth and height is given to you. Okay. And 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4,000 centimeters square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. For 250 boxes, you have to find the cost of cardboards. Okay. So how we will do, students? Very simple. Length is given to you, breadth and height. So you have to find the total surface area of the box. Bigger box. So what will be the total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL only. Just put the values and solve it, right? After solving, you will get the answer 1450. Okay. 1450. So listen now. Extra area for overlapping is required, right? Overlapping extra 5% area is required. So you have to do 1450 into 5 by 100. Area into 5% extra 5 by 100, and that is 72.5 centimeters square. And this 72.5 extra area you have to add in this one. Okay. When you will add, you will get 1522.5 centimeter square. Okay. Then you have to make 250 such boxes now. So you have to multiply it with 250, 380,625 centimeters square. Smaller box, you have to find the area, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. The dimensions are given. You can put them and you will get 630 centimeters square. Again, for smaller box is the same thing. You have to find the 5% overlapping. 630 into 5 by 100, it will be 31.5. And total surface area would be equal of one smaller box while considering all overlaps would be 630 plus 31.5. Means extra 5% overlapping you have to add back in area only. Right? So area of cardboard sheet required for 250 boxes would be 250. You have to multiply it with 250. You will get that area also. So after comparing, dimensions are given to you. So total cardboard sheet required, you have to add both areas. After adding, what you will get, you have to multiply with cost. Cost is 4 rupees per thousand, no? 4 by 1000. You have to multiply it. That's it, students. This was exercise 13.1.